Your Lordship, I am seeking permission that on 2nd of January, matter was listed before this honorable court, and I was seeking 1 week time to file my reply. Inadvertently, it is said that I waive up my right to file it. So therefore, I am requesting to grant me time.
I don't remember this. We have recorded it this way. We'll have to check it up. Please check it up from the court master. We'll check it up from the diary, the stenographer's diary.
Your Lordship, I was for the.
Well, I'm sorry, if it's recorded specifically, we'll have to check it up from the stenographer's diary. I don't remember. There are two options. Either we rehear the matter, or the second option is that we keep it on Monday afternoon.
We are ready to go on with the matter.
So we have already heard you substantially. We have to hear the other side.
Tomorrow. My lords are sitting into a bed.
No, there's a change again. We'll be sitting
Do it with us in the Wednesday, which is next working day, I believe.
with us. So let it be Monday afternoon then.
Monday is a holiday.
Whatever, Monday after, means the first working day after.
Can we very open with tomorrow, my lord? We are ready to start the re-argument.
So why?
We are entirely.
I think your lordship has spent considerable time, so therefore it would be better to have.
It may need to spill over on Thursday because we have a rejoinder. We don't want to give up that. So just
Look, we'll accommodate,
better.
but you'll have to also cut short your arguments.
Yes,
Last time there were a lot of
Very
repetition.
pointed.
Last time we had gone on to repetition. We had.
No, Lord, we were very brief last time. We all got 10 minutes.
So
Actually, the problem
My lord,
involves so many teachers, so that's why there are so many.
I understand that, but that will not make we don't want to cut short anybody, but at the same time, we want to be
Because it will have.
Lords, we now have
Okay.
guidance from the
Let's-
court on what is
at
needed.
2 p.m. on 14th of January.
14th is holiday.
Sorry, 15th of January, 2020.
15th.
After the miscellaneous vote.
After this.
At 2 p.m.
Great.
15th is a miscellaneous day.
It's a mistake.
That may be deliberately kept.
It's all right. Something to lots of pressure. Wherever.
Lord, if it's not over, then
Chips, it will require that number for the relief to be modulated, your lordship. So CBI to give the numbers and identify the candidates who they have found as stated.
No.
That number should be given in the meanwhile.
In the,
Sorry, I couldn't get the.
no, Ms. Makija was saying that CBI should specify the numbers.
The CBI give numbers, my lord. I am opposing this. Sometimes they say 900, sometimes 152. I just want to read that one paragraph to your lordships next time.
Hearing arguments.
Your lordship may call it on 14th, my lord, and then make it 15th.
15th.
Lord, one of my
In fact,
clients,
CBI has given numbers.
one of my clients is a cancer patient, my lord. He's suffering from cancer. One candidate, Soma Das, has been given relief in the division
Please
bench.
wait for that cannot pay.
He's suffering, my lord. That's
We cannot go into, one has been given under the disabilities, we cannot.
very well on the next day. Great for the Lord.
Sir, only one thing, in some matter, formal notice has not been issued.
We are aware of that.
Yes, so, and
We are aware
in
of
compilation, our.
Whatever it
submission-
is, we are aware.
My lord, may I just submit one thing, my lord? Some of the things that has not been added into the compilation. Our written submissions were also not added in the
They
compilation.
may not be, now it's over, leave it. Most of them are repetitive.
My lord,
Most of
Get
them are
handed over.
repetitive. Leave it.
we have already filed it.
Grateful.
Lord, my lord, I'm to mention item.
Yes, please.
My lord has protected me and directed me to
Your Lordship,
join.
I'm praying for 4 weeks to file counter affidavit, Your Lord.
Oh, forget it.
We have joined the investigation.
Your Lordship,
You're appearing for whom?
I'm appearing for the state, Your Lordships.
Minute. During investigation, what have you found?
Your Lordship, give me 1 week, Your
1
Lord.
minute.
1 week.
When was the notice issued?
Document hard copy is not uploaded. There's an app mentioned.
Put in December.
4th October.
The last opportunity was granted in December. Notice was issued earlier. Leave, just tell us one thing. As per your investigation, is he has been engaging the services of that app number of times, or this is the first time he had operated?
Your Lordship, just give me 1 day to take
Please,
instructions.
sorry, we are not giving adjournment. We can pass it over, get the instructions.
Your Lordship, may pass it over.
Yeah, please get your instructions at 2 o'clock.
Please, please.
My lord, we have filed additional documents.
We have seen that.
My lord,
Please.
Come at 2.
grateful, my lord.
Appearing in 3.1, there must be some confusion because on supplementary board.
You want it to be taken up at 2 o'clock, we'll take it up at 2.
Very well.
My friend is in item 3, I'm in 3.1, so let it
Then
be.
we'll take it up at 2.
Obliged.
Yes, please.
The difficulty here is, my lord, despite your lordship's permission,
Cannot be at this stage. How can the court grant you interim relief?
my lord, the difficulty is, my lord, for 10 hearings, my lord, we have been moving press fees. May I only request your
In
lordship?
fact, let me put it, there's a difference between the two. Res judicata may not apply, but the law of precedence may be applicable.
My lord, may I only
There's a
request
difference
that
between
let
the
the
two.
High Court, my lord,
We
expedite.
we can't pass an interim order. They've been right. In case you succeed, appropriate orders will be passed.
My lord, let it be decided expedition.
Please ask for early hearing
My
before
lord,
the
we
High
have
Court.
moved 10 times, my lord.
But
I have.
fine, it's only a commercial matter. It's not something of relating
No, my
to
lord.
life and liberty.
Even for press fee, my lord, that.
Sorry,
even is-
Mr. Khanna, we can't help you. We are not inclined to interfere with the impugned order, which is dated. What's the date of the impugned order? Mr. Khanna, what's the date of the impugned order? It's IE for direction.
I'm sorry.
Already disposed of. Why should they even the writ petition, the petition is filed by whom?
So many matters.
So we'll, the writ, especially petition also.
My lord, the writ petition is.
Okay. Are we not inclined to issue notice in the present MA? As the matter is still pending before the High Court.
The only request is if the High Court can be, my lord.
Sorry.
Disposal of expedition.
Sorry. Item 5. May go before Justice Bela
My lord, only one more request. If my lord can observe, we can move the learned Chief Justice again, my lord, for expeditious.
It's not a life and liberty matter. Let's go before Justice Bela Trivedi's bench. This will go before Justice Bela Trivedi's bench. That she has passed the earlier order.
Earlier, my lord,
And in the meanwhile, please file a list of the prayer list of writ petitions you have filed.
we are already.
1 minute, please.
Yes.
Just listen.
Yes.
You file a list of writ petitions you have filed along with the prayer process in those.
Already there, fine.
I want in a form of a chart.
Chart is there with my lord, page, chart is there, I produce a
Which
chart.
page?
Every petition I file, I
Okay,
produce a
which
chart.
page is that chart, please?
Yes, page number, yes. Yes. 631, page number 631. My lord, I have come here before many times, before your lordships also, before Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul's bench also, his lordship was pleased to direct me to the.
I don't want to make any comment.
Yes.
Because the matter is we will be listening before Justice Bela Trivedi.
When I came on the first occasion.
Okay.
My lord,
Right up.
all issue is, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, the judgment of the Justice Bella
To be
Trivedi.
listed before a bench presided over by Honorable Mr. Justice Bela M. Trivedi in the week commencing 27th of January 2025.
And my lord, till that, my lord, status quo to be maintained.
Nothing.
No, my lord, your lordship may.
Oh,
hear
you
me
want it
for-
early? I can give you early.
My lord.
You want it early? We can give you early.
Hear me for two
No, sorry. You want it early? We can give you early. That's
Let me say at least one word. My lord, the whole issue is, which is a forum.
We don't want to.
In 1 minute, my lord.
Please, I've given you the option. You want an early date? I can give you an early date.
Early date, my lord, then on 20th or on 20th, fine?
In the week commencing 20th of January 2025.
Great job. And, my lord, one word, my lord, not a single MSME has been given the benefit, and she is the leader of the MSME association.
Case is over.
Not a single MSME.
Please, 7.
While on the Ambani got all benefits, 49,000 crores.
Are you addressing us when the matter is over?
92 paisa for 100 rupees.
Please do not address after the matter is over.
Lord, may I mention item number 6?
That will come up on.
Lord, two things there. Leave to file the SLP, your lordship may grant, because
We have not, in other cases also, we just simply tagging them. We are not now entertaining any.
That's your lord.
List on 15th.
We're led by learned Solicitor General. He's on his legs.
January 2025 at 2 p.m.
Lord, we are led by Mr. Solicitor General. He's on his legs before court too, my lords. May kindly pass it over.
Okay. Pass over.
Wait for a moment. Please, ma'am. My lords, I think I directed this matter to be listed with our other case where your lordships had passed.
Your Lordship, in item 8, I'm requesting for a pass over, Your Lordship, in the supplementary list.
I just show you.
It will be taken up at 2 p.m.
When are the other matters coming up?
My lords had just said list it on 2nd January. Your lordships had said list along with SLP.
Your Lordship, I'm requesting for a pass over, please.
Pass
in
the
this
material
matter.
order. But what has happened is this SLP 17238 has not been listed today. Whereas that's where your lordships had passed a substantial.
Why has it been listed today?
Your Lordship, this is a mentioning matter. We had mentioned this matter for listing.
So, without giving any date, why is it being listed today? Just check it up. Why is it being listed?
Your Lordship, may kindly give me a pass over in the matter, please.
We're passing it over in the meanwhile, because we simply said list with SLP number so and so. There's no urgency in the matter.
Your Lordship, we will explain the urgency. If Your Lordship may
There
kindly
is no
pass over.
urgency. You're asking for expansion of certain remarks. There is no urgency at all.
I only request for a pass over, Your Lordship.
That's an urgency, then I'm sorry. It doesn't cut ice with us.
Your Lordship has passed over the matter.
Yes, we have passed over the matter.
Much obliged. Much obliged.
And there was no need for, once we directed it to be listed on the, along with the SLP, there was no need for this matter to be, have been listed like this. And even if you mention it and list it, then it's wrong. You should not have got it listed like this. Next case.
Lordships. Item 9, my lords, may I ask for a short pass over, my lords?
Passover will mean it will come up in the end of the board. After the board is over, it's impossible.
My lord, kindly pass.
Passover.
Lords, these are matters.
Passwords are coming at the very end. Is it?
They come normally at 2 o'clock.
My lords, these are
My
matters.
lord, may I request?
They come up.
Item 8.
What we do is we take the Passover matters at 2 o'clock.
Oh, 2 o'clock. Because I have a matter, special bench matter, President Pankaj Datta at 2 o'clock. Would your lordship have it next week then, man?
You are appearing in item 9. You have
8, I was on 8, man. I was just on 8, which your lordship.
We'll see at 2 o'clock.
Because I'm on a special bench at that time.
If there's some difficulty, we'll try and accommodate.
I'm obliged. I'm very
Item
obliged.
9, lordships, they asked for Passover, but I wanted to request, this is a matter with regard to promotion and reservation person with disabilities. My lords are considering that another bench. Some of the.
When is that batch?
That's coming, my lords, in 3rd week of February, my lords. The order? The order?